Hi Sam. Today, we're going to explore the word
Zukunft.
Hey Alex. What does
Zukunft.
mean?
Zukunft.
means future in English. It's commonly used to refer to what is yet to come. It's interesting because it can also imply the potential or prospects ahead of us. Just be cautious, the word might sound similar to the English zucchini, but they are completely different.
Got it. So, how do we use
Zukunft.
in sentences?
Great question.
Zukunft.
Is a feminine noun, so we say
Die Zukunft.
the plural form is,
Zukünfte.
but it's not commonly used since we often talk about the future as a singular concept. You can say,
Ich plane meine Zukunft.
which means I plan my future. In the past, you might say,
Ich plante meine Zukunft.
for the simple past, and in the perfect tense, you would say,
Ich habe meine Zukunft geplant.
That's really helpful. What about the imperative form?
for.
Zukunft.
We don't typically use an imperative form since it's not a verb. But if it were a verb, we might say something like,
Plane deine Zukunft.
meaning plan your future.
That's interesting. Where does the word
Zukunft.
come from?
Zukunft.
Has its roots in Old High German, where it originally meant to come or to be forthcoming. Over time, it evolved into its current form in Middle High German. It's fascinating how language transforms over centuries, isn't it?
Very much. I love that history.
Now, let's break down the word.
Zukunft.
It consists of the prefix and the root.
Kunft.
The prefix often indicates direction, while
Kunft.
comes from the verb,
Kommen.
which means to come. So, together, they imply something that is to come.
That makes sense.
Now, let's think of similar words. For example, with the prefix, we have
Zukünftig.
meaning future in an adjectival form. Then there's
Zukommen.
meaning to come to someone. If we look at other suffixes, we have
Beziehung.
from,
Beziehen.
meaning relationship, and
Erziehung.
from,
Erziehen.
meaning education.
Wow, that's a lot of examples.
Yes. And there's also
Ankunft.
which is arrival, from the same root.
Kunft.
You see how they all connect.
Definitely. Can we practice using
Zukunft.
in different situations?
Sure. Imagine you're at a career fair. You might say,
Ich interessiere mich für meine Zukunft.
meaning I am interested in my future.
Ich interessiere mich für meine Zukunft.
Perfect. Another scenario could be when discussing plans with a friend. You could say,
Was sind deine Pläne für die Zukunft?
which means, what are your plans for the future?
Was sind deine Pläne für die Zukunft?
Excellent. Lastly, think of a doctor's appointment where you might ask,
Wie wird sich meine Gesundheit in der Zukunft entwickeln?
meaning, how will my health develop in the future?
Wie wird sich meine Gesundheit in der Zukunft entwickeln?
Perfect pronunciation.
What are some memory hints for
Zukunft.
Since
Zukunft.
is feminine, remember that many feminine nouns end in.
Ung.
You can visualize a bright light in the future to remember this concept.
That's a vivid image.
Now, let's talk about usage.
Zukunft.
Is neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Some common collocations are
Die Zukunft planen.
to plan the future and
Eine positive Zukunft.
a positive future. Be careful not to confuse it with,
Gegenwart.
which means present.
I'll keep that in mind.
Here are some example sentences.
In der Zukunft möchte ich reisen.
Which means in the future, I want to travel. Or,
Die Zukunft sieht vielversprechend aus.
meaning the future looks promising.
That's a good way to use it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Zukunft.
mean?
It means future.
Correct. What's the article for?
Zukunft.
It's
Die Zukunft.
Right again. Can you give me a past tense example?
Ich plante meine Zukunft.
Exactly. How would you ask about someone's future plans?
Was sind deine Pläne für die Zukunft?
Perfect. Last question, what's the prefix of?
Zukunft.
It's
Excellent job today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Zukunft.
means future, and it has a rich history and interesting structure. Keep practicing, and you'll use it perfectly in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I learned a lot today.